Imagine drawing in the sky.
This is fun, but where's the stars?
This is a story sky. We're gonna fill it with a story and create the stars.
Just tell a story, and it will start to appear.
Ooh, me! Once upon a time...
Whoa! We can make anything we imagine appear in the stars.
It was a dark and stormy night.
Fizz, why do campfire stories always start off like that?
Stories need a little excitement.
And on that night, there was
A unibear! Part unicorn, part bear. Aw, cute.
And his neighbor was a dancing robot.
He's gonna wake up Unibear. And Unibear did not wake up. Phew. What was that? That sounds like a marching band.
Marching band practice is on Tuesday. And today is not Tuesday.
The band's gonna wake up Unibear.
Who's up for my famous neon hot chocolate?
Mackie, why don't you start the story?
Well, it was a bright and not at all stormy night, and the Unibear and robot were not at all spooky.
We joined them and became best friends.
We filled up the whole sky.
Wow!
Whoa! Wow!
I'm camp-fired up for our next adventure. Imagine building the coolest park ever!
Whoa!
Watch out!
I loved it! Let's go again! This is the coolest playground I've ever seen!
Nothing could ruin this day.
Whoa!
Hi, Cloud!
Oh, hello. I'm Cloudy. Looks like you're having a great time down there. Don't worry, I'll be on my way so I don't rain on your fun.
I think Cloudy feels left out.
Rain or shine, let's make the state rain. Let's mix our colors together and imagine what we can do.
A water slide! Imagine if we turned the park into a water park.
What do we need to make our dry park a wet park?
Just add water. We need your help, Cloudy.
Who, me?
We want to turn this park into a water park.
Yeah, when we tell you, bring on the rain!
Rainy day water park. That's great!
What about a slip and slide?
And we can land in a playground splash zone.
Okay, Cloudy, are you ready?
Here we flow!
Woohoo! Yeah!
You made this rain cloud feel very sunny today. Thank you.
What a fun day! I wonder what's in the forecast for our next adventure. Imagine a world where everything is made of balloons.
Whoa! Do you hear that? We're bored. We've played every game ever. Can you play with us?
Imagine if we invented a new game!
Okay, crew. Time to get creative. Ooh, somersaults? There should definitely be somersaults.
Nice bounce, Neo. How about a super bouncy
hoops to flip through.
On your spark, get set, go!
They're running for the hoop! They bounce! They hop! They pose! They score!
That was so much fun!
But what happens if we play this game too much? Will we get bored of it too?
It would be great if we have a couple of options. Imagine if you always have a new game to play.
Yeah, like a game mixer-upper. Jazzberry Jam. You'll have a new game every time you spin it.
We never run out of games again.
Now we just need more game ideas.
How about bouncy karaoke?
Coming right up! Hide and seek!
Flower fencing.
Dragon dance-off.
Silly jump faces!
Glitterific!
Come on, Duck. Give it a spin. That was so fun! I thought I was going to burst!
Yeah! I wonder what adventure will pop up next.
Imagine if we could fly in the sky!
Whoa! The butterfly's wings turn to color when they land on a flower.
Oh, I wish I could fly like that.
Me too. My name's Flutter. I'm still learning to fly and I'm really nervous.
It's okay to be nervous.
Yeah, maybe we can help you feel more confident.
How can we get up in the air to help you practice?
That's a great idea!
How else can we help you get up there? Of course! Bubbles!
I heard that idea. Flutter! You're doing it!
Whoa! I got you. It's no use. If I can't fly up to the flowers, my wings will never be colorful.
You might not have noticed, but you flew down using your wings to save us.
You're right. I just went with the flow.
Yeah, go with the flow.
Are you imagining what I'm imagining?
Yeah, let's all get wings.
Follow me. I'm going to get my colors. Wow! What an adventure! I can't wait to see where we fly next.
Imagine if we made music underwater.
This is fantastic! I can't wait to hear some underwater tunes.
DJ Mermaid is the best musician in all 7 seas.
What was that?
I think it's coming from back there. DJ Mermaid!
What's going on?
My DJ booth is going haywire. See? And the show's about to start.
Without her DJ booth, there won't be any music, and the concert will be canceled!
But I made us all matching shirts.
We need to help her!
Yeah! Imagine if we could find new ways to make music for her.
Maybe we should use our imaginations to make instruments, like a choral xylophone.
My turn! How about we create something out of bubbles?
That's great, Pinky! How about a shell-sational set of drums?
It's missing one more thing.
The show is starting! Whoa! Sweet jam! I got it! I know exactly what to do to save this concert. Thank you so much!
You're welcome. Can you sign our shirts?
Whoa! Good job! We did it! That was so much fun. I wonder what music we can make next.
Moo!
Imagine a fireworks volcano!
Whoa! This place is exploding with creativity. It looks like how I feel on the inside.
Come on, let's explore everything.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Look! The volcano is making fireworks! Not just fireworks, Scarlet. A whole fireworks show!
This is nothing! If I had something other than these boring rocks, that would be a fireworks show!
How about an apple rock?
That looks perfect!
Whoa! I have an idea!
That was amazing, Bria! I've got a really cool idea.
This is a great show. But you know what would make it a capital S-H-O-W show?
Imagine if we mixed them up!
Can we add a touch of glitter? Oh, yeah!
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's purplicious!
Now that's a fireworks show.
Nom 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 nom. Oh, excuse me.
That rocked! I wonder what adventure will erupt next.
Oh, imagine if we created a ship that could sail around the whole world! Whoa! What a cool ship!
It looks like it's stuck.
Ahoy! We crash landed and we can't agree on how to fix our ship.
Faster!
More fun!
As you can see, we have some bones to pick with each other.
This sounds like a job.
For the Crayola Crew!
Aye, aye. Sounds like jumbo fun.
Our sail is broken and we can't go fast anymore.
You have a need for speed.
Our lantern broke. It's going to be so dark on the ship at night.
You gotta be able to see the sea.
Steering the ship can get pretty dull. Can we add something to make it extra special? That's what glitter crayons do best.
Now we know what the crew needs, but how do we make it happen? My sailor wants speed. What's faster than any old sail? What about shark fins with super powerful jets on them?
Whoa! Great job, Bria! My sailor still needs to see in the dark. There's that broken sail. What if we turned it into a neon lighthouse? In 3, 2, 1, open!
A ship-shaped shark ship with the lookout lighthouse? It's perfect! Don't forget my favorite part. Now you can navigate with pizzazz! You can join our crew anytime.
And you'll always have a port to visit here.
That was a boatload of fun! I can't wait to set sail on our next adventure!